Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest in the Fidelity Contrafund. If you are looking for a way to grow your investment portfolio, this fund could be a valuable option for you. Let's walk through the steps involved in getting started. First, you will need to open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. You can do this by visiting Fidelity's website and providing some personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is set up and funded, you will be ready to move on to the next step. Next, search for the Contrafund by entering its name or its ticker symbol, FCNTX, in the search bar on the Fidelity platform. This will bring up information about the fund, including its performance history, investment strategy, and fees. Take some time to review this information to ensure that it aligns with your investment goals. Finally, when you are ready to invest, select the amount of money you want to contribute to the fund and confirm your transaction. Remember to keep track of your investment and review your portfolio periodically. Investing is a long-term commitment, and you want to make sure that your strategy is still in line with your financial objectives. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your investment journey.